Jubilee has become a dictatorial party, a party that does not tolerate divergent views. We as members of Jubilee have been punished and sidelined because we have taken a different position on a political debate that we are allowed democratically to take different views. Hence the reason you saw it began with the attempt, they actually succeeded in doing so, removal of several of us from as chairpersons of committees. Not because we were not doing a good job, but because we took a different political view. And therefore, we encourage the setting up of other parties which can give us more space where to go. So that if they lock us out, we have other places where we can exercise our democratic right. Yes, I know we have received threats that if we are supporting the Hustler movement, they shall conduct disciplinary proceedings against us and remove us from the party. But I think those are threats that will go nowhere. Personally, I'm not afraid to be removed from Jubilee.